Welcome back, my quizzical mortal soul. I hope that you have patience today because I have a challenge for you. I have 11 riddles, and the answer to each riddle is being given in order, and it will leave you with a really tasty recipe. What do you say? Do you have a recording device ready? Here are your riddles. I am holy, lucky, odd, and prime. What am I? In a regular card deck, I'm hearts, but in a tarot deck, I am... What do you get when you combine an evergreen tree with an iPad? We have 6 faces, but we'll never look you in the eye. We can be sweet or stacked to the sky. What are we? If there are 3 apples and you take away 2, how many apples do you have? I did this to heal the pain I felt from a sunburn. What did I do? I am a thick underground plant stem found in eggnog and edible houses. To run or move quickly or hit something with violent force. A culinary and medicinal plant native to India with a beautiful golden color. What single digit appears most frequently between and including the numbers 1 and 1000? I come before stone and light. I am part of a pie. You might say that it is key. Alright, let's compare your answers. A holy or lucky number that is odd and prime is 3. In a regular card deck, hearts is known as cups in the tarot. Combining an evergreen with an iPad, you get a pineapple. Something with 6 faces that can't look you in the eye. Sweet or stacked, they're cubes. If there are 3 apples and you take away 2 of them, you have 2 apples in your hands, per se. Something that can heal pain from a sunburn is skin, and skin heals pain from a sunburn by peeling. So our answer there is peel. An underground plant stem in eggnog and edible houses is ginger. Gingerbread. To run and move quickly or hit with violent force is a dash. A culinary and medicinal plant that's a golden color is turmeric. A single digit that appears the most commonly between 1 and 1000 is the digit 1. Before stone and light, part of pie, key, lime, key lime pie, limelight, limestone. So if we take all of your answers and look at them in order, we've got a great little recipe here for something really tasty. 3 cups pineapple, cubes, 2 peeled ginger, dash of turmeric, 1 lime. Juice it all up together or stick it in a blender. and you've got yourself a recipe for pineapple and ginger juice. It's really refreshing. It's really good for some of your internal organs. Antioxidant, vitamin C. And if this might be too strong of a flavor for your first try, again, I always recommend let's put some ice cubes in that and blend this up into a slushy, or dilute with some water. The other way you can do this is, if you really enjoy cups of tea or hot beverages, is to boil some hot water and then add a little bit of this juice in just for a bit of a flavor so that it's not so shocking to your tongue. This is a new type of flavor for you. I hope you enjoy our little game. It's time to send you back to the rest of your day. I hope it's a wonderful day. I hope you keep taking time to take care of yourself, and I hope you get a chance to explore this little treat. Enjoy. I'll see you out there.